Brian, welcome to MyPrintResource.com. How's the show going for you?
Thank you. Thanks for having me. The show's going great. It's one of our best craft expos ever, I think.
Really?
So far, yeah. We'll
now that's putting it right up there at the top, isn't it?
We're selling equipment right off the floor, so we're having a great time.
Wide format, boy, that's really taken off. What do you attribute that to?
You know, probably a couple different reasons. One is that a lot of markets are converging into wide format. For example, here, commercial printers,
sure,
they're starting to get into, see the benefits of wide format. They already have a huge customer base that they own and they take care of with their other products. They just add wide format in there and it's increased revenue, it's increased opportunities, and it's something that their customers are going to go out and get anyway from somewhere else. Might as well get it from them.
What's the future opportunity or wide scope outlook that you think is good for wide format as we move along? Are there some things that are coming along that will really explode it?
You know, it's interesting that you say that, because here at this show, a lot of the people that are coming over talking to us about wide format are just interested in doing the basic banners. But actually, there's a lot of other areas that we're seeing quite a bit of growth in, such as car wraps. You know, wrapping vehicles of any type, whether it's motorcycles, cars, trains, planes, anything that moves. And then once you learn how to do that, you can wrap floors and walls and trash cans and anything else you want to wrap.
Isn't it amazing? I've read some literature recently about this new thing of cars where paint is fading and what have you, and the guy says, let's spiff it up, and so we'll wrap it instead of painting it.
Yep. No,
I mean, that's really, unique.
It's really a growing area that people should look at that want to get into wide format. And lastly, another area for us is what we call soft signage. That's where you print on products that are made of fabric. And it's a different process. It uses dye sublimation ink instead of the solvents or the latex or those type of inks. It's a dye sublimation. Brilliant colors, and it's great for trade show graphics or home decor or sportswear. And there's a number of other markets that people can go after with wide format printers that they may not have thought of.
Another area I'd like to discuss with you is Printerverse, and that's gained a lot of traction recently, and Mutoh's been a big part of that.
Yeah, we're a proud sponsor of Printerverse, and what basically that is an area that people can go to get information. You can learn about different technology. They have games there. You can play guitar and all sorts of different games over there. There's beautiful couches so you can relax, have a conversation, get off your feet, which is a big deal around here at trade shows, right? And yesterday, in fact, they had a deal where they had a meeting for printer girls in print, and they had a huge showing and turnout of women.
Students, possibly?
Yes, students and even people that are already in the industry. And the real message was for these young people is to find a mentor and learn this business from the inside, and they'll gain a ton of knowledge and be able to go out and get in the business quicker.
The trade always needs new, fresh blood, doesn't it?
Yes, there always
fresh ideas
and people coming in, because they are the future.
Absolutely. Brian, thanks a lot. Appreciate you stopping by, taking the time to visit us at MyPrintResource.com.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Okay.